All right, so before we move on to the second option in the multi-page layout, there's one more thing that might be helpful that you want to know about tab sets. Okay, so what if you want to display what tab the user selected, right? So on the right side, you can see the app. So don't get confused. This is not, I mean, so we see current panel and then panel one, current panel, panel two. This is two different screen. So in other words, uh, the user selects panel one, then it shows current panel, panel one, right? That's the app. But what if user selects panel two? Then the title shows panel two up here, right? So we're trying to show you how the title here changes depending on what tab the user selects, right? So how do we do this? We provide ID. We provide ID for tab set panel, and we use that tab set input in render text function. Okay, so this panel one here is the title for tab panel for the panel one. All right, and panel one shows up here because user selected panel one. User selects panel two, then it shows current panel colon panel two because the second panel's title is panel two here. All right, so let's do this in RStudio. Oh, so by the way, this should be A because we have two different parts for section 6.3.1. So let's call this A. Hold on. All right. So let's do this right. There's a period. So let me zoom in. Zoom in. All right. So we need to do this first. Right. All right. I still don't like it, the file name. So instead of underline, let's do period. All right. And then let's zoom in a little bit for you to see better. All right. Okay. So now let's save the file to part B. Is this too large? Nice. Okay. So let's try this. All right. So part B in section 1. Let's delete everything. And then Shiny app. And then let's go grab the code. All right. So here's the code. Control V. Right. Okay. So run app. Save selected. All right. So at the top, the title reads current panel, panel 1, because panel 1 is selected, right? So if we select panel 2, the title changes. Panel 3, right? So again, this panel 1, 2, 3 in the title, it comes from here, right? The title argument in the tab panel function. So if we change this, for example, instead of panel 1, 2, 3, we do panel A, B, C, and then reload. Then you see here the tab changes and also the title, panel A, panel B, panel C, right? And down here, the text within the tab, 1, 2, 3, that's because we have 1, 2, 3 here in the second argument in the tab panel function. Okay, so let's undo this. All right, and also note that this here is sidebar layout, right? So now here on the left, we have the title, that's sidebar panel, and on the right, panel ABC, that's main panel, right? All right. Great job. And I'll see you guys in the next video.